There's one. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Okay. Now you're the biggest of this freaking day. Just a swiper. Good size fish. Let's go. Let's freaking go, buddy. Oh man. Yeah, that's a freaking toad. It looked way smaller in the water, dude. Looked way smaller in the freaking water. Oh, just in the corner of the mouth. That's a freaking butterball. Let's freaking go. Look at the tummy on her. Just a freaking meat nugget. Big ol' mouth. All right. 3.9, 3.10. Kind of flickering. Little stud. Well, not really little, but nice freaking meat nugget. Just a freaking butterball. Like absolute beauty. There you go, big girl. Right down deep again. She came from like over here and kept throwing up under that tree. Well, cast it up under that tree. And yeah, just smoked it. That was probably one of the better hits of the day.